Broken promises. That's all it takes to stop believing yourself. And if you keep breaking your own word, after a while, you stop trusting yourself. That's the real damage. Because once that happens, even small decisions start feeling heavier than they should, which means self-trust isn't small. It affects everything. The good news? It's rebuildable. Step 1. Stop needing everyone else to settle your mind. Most people think self-trust breaks in big moments. It usually starts here. Something feels off, and your first instinct is to ask someone else what to do. You ask people what they think because trusting yourself feels harder. But when every hard feeling needs outside reassurance, your mind starts learning something dangerous. I probably can't handle this by myself. That's where doubt begins. So before reaching for someone else, sit with it first. Sit with fear, stress, or uncertainty for a moment. Not forever, just long enough to remind yourself, I can handle hard things too. That's where trust begins. Step 2, stop shrinking to keep people comfortable. And once you stop needing everyone else to settle your mind, you start noticing something else. A lot of people slowly start holding themselves back. Maybe it's saying yes when they really mean no. It feels easier, less tension, less discomfort. But over time, it changes how you see yourself. Because every time you ignore what you really mean, your mind starts learning. What I need probably matters less. And little by little, you stop showing up as yourself. So start small. Say no when you mean no. Take up space without guilt. That's when you stop holding back and start feeling like yourself again. Step 3, stop abandoning yourself when life gets hard. This is where self-trust really gets tested. Not when life feels easy. When life gets hard, sometimes plans fail, stress shows up, and life gets messy. And little by little, people stop showing up for themselves. They go back to what feels easy. Then the belief starts changing. Maybe this is just who I am. Because after a while, you stop believing you can count on yourself. But self-trust is built here. So when life gets heavy, don't walk away from yourself. Keep showing up, because every rough season you survive, your mind starts learning, I can get through this. I still have my own back. And that's when you become someone you can trust again.